Good morning. Good morning. Happy Wednesday, everybody. Happy Wednesday. Give me some shout outs, throw some hands up, give me a wave or something. Please turn your cameras on, and if you will, go and complete your attendance quiz. Please go and complete your attendance quiz. Thank you. Thank you, Kate, for always complying. UZL, please turn your camera on. Retray. Wake up, Retray. Derek and Brian, please turn on your cameras. It is not an option, guys. It is a requirement. I know a lot of you are not morning people, but you're going to have to get over that. Hey, Brian, how are you?
I'm good.
All righty. Brian said, I'm making it. All right, guys, do me a favor. It looks like I have Derek, UZL, Anika's not on here, and Kate. Let me see if anybody else. Franco and Brian. Okay, so Brian, you have taken, I don't know why, you have taken the benchmark. Kate, you have taken the benchmark. UZL, you have not taken the benchmark. So those of you who have taken the benchmark, go into your lessons if you have not done so already. Kate, did you start your lessons? Okay. So Kate, Brian, and it's like y'all just I want you on here. Kate, Brian, if y'all would go ahead, y'all two can turn off your cameras and go ahead and begin working in your lessons. If you have any issues, just let me know. I do want you on each lesson or each activity in those lessons to make a 75% or higher. If you don't make a 75%, go back. And even sometimes some students say, okay, Ms. Hargrave, I did it. It keeps counting it wrong. Just get with me and we will go through it together and hopefully get it where it needs to be. But make sure each Brian, I think you did you take Microsoft Word with me?
Uh,
I want to say yes.
I think so.
Okay, so you kind of know how it works, but it's a little bit different because it is online. It's not on our desktop. So just know that sometimes you have to go back and work the activity 2, 3, 5 times. Sometimes it will what you call get frustrating. But I want to encourage you, do not get frustrated. Just take a deep breath and say, okay, I'm gonna go back. So Ms. Hargrave, I can't seem to work it out. Can we work on it together? And I'll jump on Google Meet and we will work it out. So Brian and Kate, you can turn off your cameras and go to work, please. Make sure you do the attendance quiz. All right. Now I need UZL. UZL, you are set up. UZL, turn your camera on for a minute, please. And Brian, you can turn your camera off. You good. UZL. UZL, do I just get a screen today? Okay, retrade. I need to get you set up. Derek, you are already set up. You just need to take the benchmark. So Derek, take the benchmark, the one that says Excel Core. If it says anything about Excel Expert, don't touch that yet. Do you understand me, Derek? So Derek, you can keep your camera off. Go ahead and do the benchmark. Thank you. UZL. UZL.
Hello.
Hey, UZL, can you turn your camera on for a minute, please? Hey, how are you, UZL? I didn't know that was you.
Good.
Now I put a face. Okay, how you doing today?
Good.
Okay, I see that you are set up. You just need to take the benchmark. So please go take the benchmark. It takes about 30 minutes. You may finish before then, but it does count down. So take the benchmark. Once you have finished the benchmark, I don't care what you make on the benchmark because I'm going to give you a grade for doing the benchmark, okay? It will be a test grade, okay?
All right.
After you get done with the benchmark, begin your lessons and just keep working in your lessons. Each activity or lesson that you do, you must score 75% or higher to go to the next. If you don't score 75%, you need to go back. So go ahead, you can turn your camera off, complete your benchmark, and begin working in your lesson. Make sure it says Excel Core, not Excel Expert, if that pops up, okay?
Yep.
All right, thank you. Retray and Angel. Y'all need to get set up. So Retray, turn your camera on. Angel, turn your camera on, please. Hey, Angel. Angel, wake up. Wake up, Angel. All right, Angel, go to office.com, Angel, because I think you stayed on here yesterday. You were so patient, but I guess you had to go log into office.com. Hey, Retray. Retray, you're going to have to get up and get motivated, gal. Come on now. All right, so Angel, share your screen with me. Retray, I want you to kind of follow along. That way we can get you set up, okay? So, Angel, share your screen with me. That way Retray can see what's going on. And I want to see if the icons, if they pop up. If they don't, then we may have to log in with your, personal email. I'm right here with y'all guys. I'm trying to locate something if I can. Okay, cool. So Angel, yours is popping up. Awesome. So go to Excel, which will be that green icon right there that says Excel. Click on that. Retray, are you where Angel is at? You can put it in the chat. Yes or no. All right, awesome. So Angel and Retray, please click on where it says new blank workbook. And it's going to pop up in a minute. It's running a little slow. Is it still saying, looking like Angel that it may be clocking, just spinning, or is it doing anything?
You said what?
When you clicked on the new blank workbook, is a little, you see the little wheel spinning, or is it not doing anything?
It's not doing that.
Okay, click back on new blank workbook again. We may have to do it again. Just run.
On my screen, it's like perfectly fine.
Say it again.
It's all loaded in.
Okay, go back out. So, because the only thing I'm seeing right now is where you clicked on the new blank workbook, but it's not showing anything else. It may be frozen. So go back, stop presenting, then present again. Sometimes the screen gets frozen. That way I can't see. I can't take you to the next step because I can't see anything. Okay, awesome. Okay, go to the top beside of home where it says insert. Click on the insert button. Okay, go to the far right and click on the add ins. Okay, tab over to the word store, or you can click on it. Okay, in the search bar, type in Jasper Active, all one word, JASPERACTIVE. Not saying you can't spell, I just do that automatically. So don't think, yeah, PERACTIVE. And then just hit enter. Okay, if you will, click add. Okay, check that box that you agree to all the above terms and conditions. Continue. Okay, click. Okay, click that little text box or take that message off that Jasper Active was added successfully to X. Go to the far right again to the three dots. Click it. Go all the way down to the bottom. Click Jasper Active for Office. I'm gonna call out the code. In a minute, hit get started. Okay, is it doing anything? Do you have another screen? Because it may be frozen again. Okay, so key in your use. Okay, I'll tell you what you can do. You can either key that in or you can go hit the box that says log in with Google. So click in log in with Google. All right, so there you go. Okay, what's it? I can't see. Your screen went away. Yay, I got my earring on by myself. Okay, I'm going to give you a code. Make sure when I call out a letter, it is all capital or uppercase, okay? Your first letter will be S as in Sam. S, S, S. Okay, the number 2. D as in David. 3. B as in boy. Dash. Okay. 3, the letter A, the letter F, the number 6, dash, 0221. Okay, hit join. Okay, hit continue right there. Okay, now you have Excel Core, you have an Excel Expert. Right now, I only want you to do the Excel Core because the Excel Expert is a different lesson. So once you complete Excel Core, you can always begin your Excel Expert, but you will take your test for Excel Core, but you can also take the certification for Excel Expert. Right now, we're only concerned with Core. So now you notice that you have a benchmark, you have lessons. Once you complete the benchmark, now when you begin, when you hit start, it will start timing. You have like 30 minutes. You probably won't know a lot on there. Then again, you may know a lot on there. I don't want you to stress over taking the benchmark. I do want you to do your best. What the benchmark does, it eliminates some of the activities that you have to do. Say, for instance, if you had to do lesson 1 with 12 activities, you scored high enough, you may only have to do 6. So not everybody has the same amount. Some of them may have 1 or 2 less. So what I want you to do, take the benchmark. Once you take the benchmark, I will give you a score for doing the benchmark. Then I want you to begin the lessons. In each lesson, you are to make a 75% or higher. If you don't, you go back until you get that 75% or higher. If you are having trouble, you need to email me, remind me, say, Ms. Hargrave, I'm having trouble. We will jump on Google Meet and we'll work on it together. I do want everybody on here to listen up. Make sure that you put in enough time to get this done. I would love for Excel to be finished by the end of this month, if not before. It is very doable. It's going to take time, at least an hour a day. On Fridays, I will start having what you call Marathon Fridays. I think I sent you out an invite a couple of weeks ago. It's going to be from 9 to 12. That means you can come in from 9 to 12 and work. Your cameras can be off every now and then. Periodically, I'll ask you to turn them on. You can come in, work, and you will receive a test grade for coming in. If you come in every Friday, that means you get a test grade every Friday. If you come in every 2 weeks, that means maybe every 2 weeks you get a test grade. But you are going to have to take time outside of class. Now, I'm going to quit talking and let you, Angel, do what you do. Retrade, did you get set up, my love? And Angel, you can turn your camera off and begin working. Retrade, did you get set up?
I'm on the phone, so I'm struggling. I'm trying to get signed in right now.
Okay, so it's not letting you sign in right yet?
No.
Okay.
I've been trying for like 10 minutes straight.
Okay, so is it just clocking or what is it doing? What is it saying? Is it giving you a message?
I'm trying to log in again.
Do you mind sharing your screen?
Yes. Hold on.
So Retrade, you're a senior, aren't you a senior? Are you a senior? Oh,
You
no.
said, oh, wait.
Are you a senior?
I think I'm in here now. I don't know what I did, but it worked now.
Okay, so where are you at now? Is it on the icon?
Let's see. Okay.
Okay. Now it does not show the icons on the right. So I'm gonna tell you, a lot of students, when this happens, they log in with their personal email address. So log back out and then log in with your personal email. And then once you log in with your personal email, and if it shows the icons, then you have to use your personal email.
Okay.
Hey, Franco.
Good morning.
How are you doing today?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Look, do me a
Mhm.
favor, if you will, go and complete the attendance quiz. Make sure every day you complete the attendance quiz, whether you come to class or not. Although I want you to come to class, but make sure you do complete the attendance quiz every day because I do count it as a grade. After that, I need you to log in and do your benchmark. Okay?
Okay. See,
Okay.
I see what happened yesterday is I tried doing it
Nice.
and then I accidentally like backed out of it, so it like restarted everything, and then I tried to take it again, and then the same thing happened. So I got frustrated and I was gonna go back and do it later, but then I fell asleep. So
It's
that was
okay.
it
You
was
okay? Try it now. If it happens, just let me know. You can keep your camera off and go ahead and work. And once you're done with the benchmark, I want everybody to go full force in working with those
Oh
lessons.
my.
If you I want everybody to at least make a 75% or higher. If you don't, then you need to go back until you get to 75%. And if you're having any trouble, just email me, hit me up on Remind, and we'll jump on Google Meet. We'll get it worked out. And I want everybody, if possible, to be finished with Excel by the end of the month. So that means you're going to have to take some time outside of class. I am going to have what you call Marathon Fridays from 9 to 12. If you come on and work for at least an hour, you will get your test credit. So you don't have to attend all of them, but if you do, that's a test credit every time you attend. But I want you to work as efficiently and at a steady pace as possible. So, like I said, just go ahead and do your thing. If you need me, just holler at me, okay? So, Richard, let me know when you get those icons. Once you get logged in and get those icons.
Okay, Miss Hargrave, I tried to use my personal one and then it locked me out.
It lock you out.
Yep.
Are you using your are you using a computer or you're on your phone?
I'm on my phone, that's why.
Okay. Do you have a laptop?
I do, but I don't have it right now. That's
Okay.
why.
Okay. I tell you what, try it later because I don't want
Mhm.
try it later. And if you need me, just jump on Google Meet. Just
Okay.
hit me up and say, Miss Hargrave, can we meet? But try to get it where you can get on it today because I want you to start working in Excel. Okay.
Okay.
All right. And did you know about the assignment? And I need to refresh everybody's memory about the budget. We were coming up with a budget.
Oh yes. And
Okay.
just
So
keeping track of your budget,
yes,
correct?
track of your budget. So I'll probably this week has been kind of crazy. I may start asking. So keep track of it, and then I probably start asking if y'all could turn in some information like next week. But
Okay.
hit me up and let me know when you are able to get signed in, and then we will go and get you signed up. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
All right. You can go ahead and log out if you want to, and I will talk with you soon. Okay.
All right. Thank you, Miss Hargrave.
You're welcome. Bye bye. Okay, guys. So I think everybody's working good. I would check to make sure that you are in the process of doing your um, benchmark, or you've already completed and you are in your lessons. I do encourage you to keep on working and make some progress throughout the day and on a daily basis. And I will be reaching out to you via email or remind if I see that you need to go back and redo something, or if you're not working. So at this particular time, I am going to release you lovely people, and I will talk with y'all guys on tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye-bye, y'all.
Have a good day.
All right, you too. Bye, Derek. Bye, everybody.